Very important topic for discussion, that why the coastal areas of Great Britain most particularly and some other Western European countries, why they face fog during the time of the winter. So the question is, why the Great Britain? This is Great Britain. This is the western part of Europe continent. This is Norway, Sweden, Finland, this area. So why these areas face huge fog and dense occurrence of the fog during the time of winter? Now, if I come to that part of the globe, this is the South American continent and this is the North American continent. So, in between the South and the North American continent, there are some seas. This is the Gulf of Mexico, and this part is the Caribbean Sea. Now, from these two areas, one current that is moving towards the coast of Great Britain. So, not only from the Gulf of Mexico, from the Caribbean Sea as well, one oceanic current that is moving towards the coast of Great Britain. So, once it is moving towards the coast of Great Britain, it is converging with another oceanic current that is coming from the coastal part of Greenland and coastal part of Iceland as well. One oceanic current is coming like this, another oceanic current also is coming from another coastal part of Iceland. This is our Iceland. So these oceanic currents are coming basically from the Norwegian Sea. This is Norway, Sweden, and Finland. So these are the three Scandinavian countries. Now, the coastal areas of Great Britain are facing the huge fog because of the convergence of these two currents. One is the current which is coming from the Norwegian Sea, this current, another current that is coming from the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean Sea. Now, the name of the current is the Gulf Stream current, which is warmer in nature as it is moving from the tropical areas towards the temperate and the polar regions. Now, the oceanic current that is moving from the Northern Sea, as this current is moving from the coastal areas of the Greenland and the coastal areas of the Iceland, and both these areas, the temperature are found to be very less. So, these oceanic currents are basically cooler in character. So, the warm current and this cold current are converging near the coastal areas of Great Britain. So, this is the Great Britain. So whenever the two oceanic currents with the different character, it means one oceanic current is the warm, another oceanic current is the cold. So if these two ocean currents meet at a particular place, there will be generation of front. So whenever there will be generation of the front, so this front is being generated because of the convergence of two differently charactered oceanic wave. One oceanic wave is warm, another oceanic current is cooler. So since they are meeting near the coast of the Great Britain, so there is a formation of the front and it is responsible for the generation of the fog near the coastal areas of Great Britain. Basically during the time of the winter, and most particularly because of the movement of this Gulf Stream current which is coming from the Gulf of Mexico and from the Caribbean Sea, because of the movement of this oceanic current, since this current is warmer in nature, so Great Britain during the time of the winter remains to some extent warmer because of the dominance of this oceanic current. And not only the Great Britain, even if you can go to the coastal areas of the Western Europe, even the countries of the Mediterranean region, it means the Spain, Portugal, coming to France, this portion, including the Scandinavian countries like Norway, Sweden, and Finland, they also face a dense fog during the time of the winter because of the convergence of these two oceanic currents. Thank you.